Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Canva, choose a template, or start custom with 1920 x 1080 pixels for a 16:9 layout. Sign in, then click Create a Design and pick Presentation, Social Post, or Custom Size to set exact pixels. Create a free account or upgrade to Pro to unlock a brand kit and team features. Add your logo to the brand kit, set hex color codes like #FF5733, and upload brand fonts. Use the left toolbar to access templates, elements, uploads, use grids, frames, and snap guides to align elements precisely on a canvas. Enable show rulers and position to measure distances in pixels. Apply hex codes, brand kit fonts, and consistent spacing for visual hierarchy, using 1/4 or 1/3 column layouts for balance. Drag your images into frames, use effects for background removal, and adjust opacity for overlays. Export as PNG, JPG, or PDF print with 300 dpi and transparent background when needed. And use the Resize tool or Magic Resize to repurpose a design for multiple channels. Share a design link to invite collaborators with edit or view permissions, or add team members to a brand kit for shared assets. Use version history to restore past edits and name key milestones so you can track changes during a campaign. Learn keyboard shortcuts like duplicate and group to speed production, and create folders to organize templates and assets for repeatable workflows. For final delivery, choose Publish to Website for web output or download with chosen file type and quality to meet client specs and deadlines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.